Are these the ultimate urban ninja shoes? Forget everything you know about clunky, heavy high tops. Today, we are cracking open something special from Tata Click Luxury. We're unboxing a literal piece of footwear history, the Onitsuka Tiger Mexico Mid-Runner in a striking black and classic red. Digging into the box, you get all the official documentation and original tags, confirming that premium, authentic build right down to the inner label. This silhouette wasn't just made for looks. It traces its roots straight back to the 1964 Tokyo Games, originally designed for pure track and field performance. Now, I like to keep things 100% honest. While the overall build feels incredibly premium, the shoelaces are a bit of a letdown. Compared to the rest of the shoe's quality, they feel a bit thin and could definitely be better. But that classic red woven tag on the tongue? Pure retro perfection. Just look at the material on this upper. We are looking at a gorgeous, smooth, plain leather. There are no distracting, over-the-top embossed textures here. Just clean, high-grade leather that transitions beautifully into this reinforced suede toe cap. The stitching is remarkably precise. This right here is where the quality control really shows. Notice the edge work where the upper meets the midsole. Every single edge is glued perfectly. I've bought Converse boots in the past that came with frustrating, visible gaps right out of the box. You won't find any of that sloppy craftsmanship here. And those iconic red tiger stripes just command attention against the black. Check out the flexibility on this. It folds with zero resistance. This isn't a stiff piece of leather you have to break in for months. It is designed to move organically with your foot from day one. Peeking inside, the mid-top collar is designed to give you that snug ankle support without suffocating your movement. And taking a look at the heel, you get that clean, minimalist Tokyo branding, a subtle nod to its Japanese heritage. Let's get these on foot. This is where the magic actually happens. Let's talk sizing because precision matters. My exact foot length is 26.5 centimeters, and I ordered a US size 9. Right out of the box, the fit is absolutely flawless. Honestly, these feel exactly like modern-day ninja shoes. They are shockingly lightweight and ridiculously comfortable on the feet. But the absolute best part is the stealth factor. Because of that thin sole and flexible build, there is absolutely zero sound while walking. It is a completely silent stride. If you want a shoe that blends historical performance, flawless, smooth leather construction, and total stealth, this is exactly what you've been looking for.